You never know when your heater or air conditioner may decide to go on the fritz. But why wait until it happens when you can do something about it now? Azteca Heating and Air is here to help. We all know that when we're in a panic state, we don't always take the time to find the right company. Azteca has been serving the Central Coast communities for over 30 years. Dependable, honest, experienced, and proud to say family-owned and operated. Now offering a preventative maintenance package for only $99. Please give us a call today.